Hi students, myself Dr. P. Pandiyamal, Department of Mathematics, GTN Arts College, Dindakal. Today we have to see Laplace transform and Fourier series. Particularly we have to see Fourier series. Fourier series. Fourier series is okay, we have a two interval. Fourier series is a most powerful method to find the ordinary differential equation as well as we have to find the partial differential equation. Fourier series applies continuous function, discontinuous function and a periodic function. Okay, Fourier series first we have to consider only the that whole interval, integration 0 to 2 pi. Okay, interval 0 to 2 pi. In this interval, f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus b n sin nx. Okay, in this Fourier series, we have a sine term and then cosine term are there. Okay, in this Fourier series, we have what is this sine series as well as cosine series functions also there. Here, a naught, where a naught is equal to 1 by pi in integration 0 to 2 pi. Here the limit is 0 to 2 pi. Then you have to consider here it is what is this a naught is equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi into f of x dx. A n is equal to 1 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx into dx. And then b n is equal to 1 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx into dx. Okay, this is the Fourier series, and a Fourier series f of x can be found to be a naught, a n as well as we have to find the value of what is this b n. A naught is 1 by pi, here the given limit is what is this 0 to 2 pi. 1 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into dx. As well as a n is equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx, and b n is equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx. Here the a naught is an constant coefficient, and a n b n or the a n is in cosine series term, it is an even function, and then b n is in what is this odd number, it is in what is this odd series. Here this is also known as Euler formula. This is also known as what is this Euler formula. Okay, and the next one we have to consider the another limit. That limit is what is this minus pi to pi. Okay, closed interval minus pi to pi. Okay, in this closed interval 0 to 2 pi, we have to find all the constants. We have to find all the Fourier coefficients. A naught, a n, b n. Okay, if it is the limit is minus pi to pi is given means, first of all you have to check the given function is an even function or odd function. Okay, what is an even function? Already we know that even function is an, okay, in our f of x, the given function f of x, when it is an even function means f of minus x is equal to f of x. F of minus x is equal to what is this? F of x is an even function. Okay, as well as the same as odd function. Therefore, the given function is an odd function means it is an f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. It is an what is this? Odd function. Okay, I have an example for even and odd function. Okay, f of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. Here the limit is what is given in interval, closed interval minus pi to pi is given. If it is minus pi to pi is given means we have to check the given function is an even or odd. Okay, how to check? You have to use that formula. Here it is what is this? We have to find the value of f of minus x first. F of minus x equal to minus x the whole square. Just we have to replace x by what is this? Minus x. Minus x the whole square, we get it is what is this? Simply if it is an x square. Minus x the whole square, we get it is what is this? X square. Okay, and then this is equal to what is this? Given f of x. Therefore, we get f of minus x is equal to f of x means the given function is an even function. Okay, and the same as the given function is an odd function means, suppose f of x is equal to, okay, this is one of the example, and the next one is f of x is equal to, I had write it is an f of x is equal to sin x is given. Okay, already we know that sin x and then cos x are the, what is this, trigonometrical functions. Sin and cos are the, what is this, trigonometrical functions. And the f of x is equal to sin x means just you have to replace. We have to find the value of the function is an even or odd means we have to find it is, what is this, f of minus x. Okay, just you have to substitute here sin of minus x. Okay, that the sin of minus x. Already we know that in a trigonometrical function, sin of minus theta goes to, what is this, minus sin theta. Here also the same, minus sin theta. Okay, minus sin x. Sorry, it is minus sin x. And then sin x value is, what is this, f of x. Just to add, substitute this one, we get f of minus x equal to minus f of x. F of minus x equal to f minus f of x means the given function is in, what is this, odd function. Okay, why we have to find that one is an even, that one is an odd? If it is even function means we have to find only the two coefficients, two Fourier coefficients. We have to find only the, what is this, a naught and a n. Similarly, the given function is an odd function means we have to find only the, what is this, bn alone. Okay, the whole limit is given means it is the full range value is given means 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2l. 2l, L is a constant here. 2l it is given means we have to find all the three coefficients. A naught is a constant coefficient, and the next we have to find bn, an and bn. Suppose the given function is an minus pi to pi is given means we have to find, what is this, first you have to check, first you have to verify that the given function is an even or odd function. If it is an even function means f of minus x is equal to f of x. Odd function means f of minus x is equal to, what is this, minus f of x. Okay, and the next, if it is an even and odd, okay, I write the formula for even function and then odd function. Okay, how it is changed? If it is the given function is an even function, then we get bn equal to 0. Okay, then we get it is, what is this, bn equal to 0. Bn equal to 0 means our Fourier series formula f of x is equal to, what is this, a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n into cos n x. Okay, where a naught equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx. Okay, already we are writing our full range value. Here the limit is 0 to 2 pi means how to write this one? 1 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx. If it is the given function is an even function means how to change the limit? 2 by pi, right, we had just to add multiply here 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx. Here also the same as an equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into, what is this, cos nx into dx. Okay, and then odd function, if it is the given function is an odd function means, the given function is an odd function means here a naught and then an. Okay, already I told you that here a naught and then an value goes to, what is this, 0. Okay, we had to find only the, what is this, bn alone. Okay, if it is in the given function is an odd function means a naught an equal to 0. A naught an equal to 0. Therefore, our f of x reduced to, what is this, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. Okay, here bn is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into sin nx into dx. This is our bn. Okay, just enough. Next we want to move on problem. Okay. Find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to x squared. Find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to x squared in the limit in the interval closed interval minus pi to pi. Okay, already we well known that we have a lot of intervals are there, closed interval and then open interval, open closed interval, closed open interval, etc. Okay, what is the meaning of closed interval? Here minus pi and pi is included in that interval. It is what is this closed interval. Suppose if it is an open interval or there means it is minus pi to pi. Here this is an limit, here 0 is or there, this is an minus pi and then pi is or there means here if it is a closed interval. What is the meaning of that one? In this interval minus pi to pi that value, here minus pi and then pi is included in this limit. If it is an open interval means minus pi to pi. This is an open interval. That open interval also written as minus pi less than x less than pi. Okay, this is what is the meaning of that one. Minus pi, between minus pi to pi. Okay, between minus pi to pi. Okay, not included that minus pi and pi. Remaining values are included. Okay, here f of x is equal to x square. And then interval is what is this? Minus pi to pi. What about your question? Find the Fourier series. Okay, f of x is equal to x square. Here the limit is minus pi to pi. First step is we have to verify the given function is an even function or odd function. Okay, f of x is equal to x squared is given. First, what is given? We have to write given f of x is equal to x squared. And then we have to write minus f of minus x can be written as, already I write that one, minus x the whole square. This is equal to what is this x square. That x square can be what is this? It is an f of x. Therefore, f of minus x is equal to what is this? F of x. Therefore, the given function is an, therefore, the given function is an, which function? Even function. Okay, if it is an even function means, what is next? Here, Bn equal to what is this? 0. Bn equal to 0. Okay, we have to find only the what is this? A naught and then An. Okay, therefore our f of x goes to A naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity An into what is this? Cos nx. Where A naught is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx. If it is an even function, the formula is also reduced to that way. Here it is 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi f of x into cos nx into dx. Okay, this is an even function formula. Here what is this? F of x is equal to x squared is given. First of all, we have to check f of minus x value, that f of minus x also equal to what is this? F of x. Therefore, the given function is then what is this? Even function. Therefore, Bn is equal to 0. We have to find only the what is this? A naught and An. Here the limit is also changed. If it is an even function or odd function means minus pi to pi is reduced to what is this? 0 to pi. Okay, then we have to multiply to what is this? A naught is equal to 2 by pi, 0 to pi f of x into dx. Okay, this is on what is this? Even function formula. What's our aim? We have to find the value of what is this? A naught and An. Okay, A naught. First to find the value of what is this? To find A naught. Okay, A naught is equal to, already we know the formula, 0 to pi. The formula is what is this? 2 by pi, 0 to pi, f of x into dx. What is f of x? F of x is x squared. Just try to substitute this one, x squared into dx. Okay, okay, just try to integrate this one, integral 0 to pi x squared into dx. We have to integrate with respect to what is this? X, then we get it is what is this? X cube by 3. Here the limit is what is this? 0 to pi. Here the limit is what is this? 0 to pi. And then I tried here it is 2 by pi. Okay, add substitute already we will know that. Integration, the limit is given. How to substitute the limit? Upper limit minus the lower limit. The upper limit is pi. Just you have to replace x by what is this pi. Then we get it is what is this? Pi cube by 3 minus 0 by 3. It is 0. Okay, 1 pi is cancelling, we get it is what is this? 2 pi squared by 3. Okay, we have to find the value of a naught which is over. Okay, just we have to write the formula and then we have to substitute f of x is equal to x squared here. Okay, what is this? Integration x squared dx means what is the meaning of that one? Just we have to integrate with respect to x. X squared integration is what is this? X cube by 3. Okay, and then I had to substitute the upper and the lower limit. The upper limit is pi and the lower limit is what is this? 0. Therefore, we get it is what is this? By pi cube by 3 minus 0. Okay, just 1 pi is cancelling, we get it is what is this? 2 pi squared by 3. And the next we want to find the value of what is this? an. An is equal to, already we know the formula. An is equal to pi integration 0 to pi. An is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x is f of x, already we know that f of x is a given problem. It is what is this? X squared into cos nx into dx. Okay, we have to integrate that one. If it is we have to find the value of an, here the integration have what is this? Multiplication of two functions are there, x squared into cos nx. Okay, how to integrate this one? Here we had to using the Bernoulli's formula. Okay, we are using the integration by parts formula or Bernoulli's formula. In this problem here x power is linear means we are using what is this integration by parts formula. Here we are using only the what is this? Bernoulli's formula. The Bernoulli's formula is integration u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 etc. Here alternative plus or minus are there. Okay, and then substitute here u is what is this? X squared, and then you have to find the value of u and v. Okay, and then you have to substitute in our Bernoulli's formula, we get that one. U is what is this? X squared, and then integration dv is what is this? Integration cos nx into dx. Okay, just you have to integrate this one. U here in this u you have to just you have to differentiate that one. Integration dv means you have to integrate. Okay, you have to differentiate this one. U dash is 2x. U double dash is what is this? 2. U triple dash is what is this? 0. Okay, here the u triple dash value goes to 0. Okay, just you have to up to find the value of what is this? U double dash. That u double dash into v2 we have to calculate. Okay, first of all you have to find the value, just you have to integrate first, we get it is v. Cos nx integration is what is this? Cos nx integration is what is this? Minus sin nx divided by n. Okay, we know that cos nx cos x integration is what is this? Minus sin x. Cos nx, here n is a constant here, just you have to write minus sin nx divided by n. That is v1 is equal to minus, again you have to integrate that one. Up to we have to find the value of what is this? V2. Okay, here u double dash is what is this? U double dash is what is this? Sorry, v1 is what is this? Cos sin nx integration is cos nx divided by n squared. Okay, and then again you have to differentiate this one. Just we have to integrate this one. How to find the value of v? V is equal to cos nx integration is what is this? Minus sin nx divided by n. And then v1 is what is this? Sin x integration is what is this? Minus cos x. Okay, minus minus is plus, we get it is what is this? Cos nx divided by n squared. Here also we have to find the value of v2. Again we have to integrate that one. We get it is sin nx divided by minus sin nx divided by what is this? N cube. Okay, what is our formula? uv, u dash v1, u double dash v2. Okay, just we have to substitute all the values in our Bernoulli's formula, and then I have to taking a upper and lower limit, we get an answer. Okay, I have to substitute the value. Here we have to find the value of an. Already 2 pi is there. Just you have to write. Okay, uv. U is what is this? X squared. V is what is this? Minus sin nx divided by n. X squared into minus sin nx divided by n. And then minus u dash v1. Here already we have one minus. That we get it is what is this? 2x into cos nx divided by n square. Then I write 2x into cos nx divided by what is this? N square. And the next is what is this? U double dash v2 plus u double dash v2. Just we have to multiply this one. We get it is what is this? Minus 2 into sin nx divided by what is this? N cube. Okay, here the limit is what is this? 0 to pi. Okay, cos nx is minus sin nx divided by what is this? N. Just we have to substitute the upper limit and then lower limit. We get an answer. Already we know that sin n pi is 0. Cos n pi is what is this? It is what is this? Cos n pi is what is this? Minus 1 the whole power n. Okay, then I tried here it is 2 by pi. Okay, already we know that cos nx integration is okay, just we have to substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. We get it is 2 pi into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square. And the same as it is also 0. Okay, and then lower limit becomes to 0. Okay, we get it is what is this? 2 by pi into 2 pi minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square. Here 1 pi is cancelling. We get it is what is this? 4 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square. Okay, in the multiplication of two functions, x squared into cos nx, x into sin nx, something if it is given means we are using what is this? Bernoulli's formula. Okay, in this Bernoulli's formula we have to find the value of what is this? An. Okay, we have to substitute these two values a0 and then an in our f of x, which is enough. Here a0 and an, we have to substitute the value of what is this? F of x. What is f of x? Already we know that f of x is a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an into what is this? Cos nx. Okay, just you have to substitute this one. a0 is what is this? Already we have to calculate it. It is 2 pi squared by 3. Okay, I have to substitute here 2 pi squared by 3. Already we have one 2. Okay, just write, and also I have to substitute the value of what is this? an is 4 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square into what is this? Cos nx. Okay, here the 2 is cancelling. Therefore, f of x is equal to pi squared by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. 4 is the constant taking outside of that one. Minus 1 the whole power n cos nx divided by n squared, which is a required Fourier series. Okay, which is a required Fourier series. Okay, this is what is this? Here the limit is minus pi to pi. Here the limit is what is this? Closed interval minus pi to pi, and also I have to substitute that f of x value. That f of x is what is this? X squared. X squared is equal to pi squared by 3 plus 4 into summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 the whole power n divided by n squared into cos nx. Here the limit is what is this? Minus pi to pi. Suppose here also the same as 0 to 2 pi is given means we have to find the value of bn. And then we have to substitute that one, we get an answer. Here minus pi to pi is given means first of all you have to find the given function is an even function or odd function, and then we have to find a not an, and substitute the given formula, we get a required Fourier series. Thank you.